Replacing the keypad button for Keylock 8800. Unscrew all the screws at the back of the Keylock 8800 front panel by using a screwdriver. Remove the back plate. Remove the core board from the main controller unit. Unscrew the screws at the scanner holder to remove the optical scanner. Unplug the connectors for the battery wire, MCU wire, door latch wire, antenna. Unscrew all 4 screws holding the main controller unit. The flexi flat cable from the LCD. Unscrew the 2 screws holding the LCD panel and remove it. Unscrew the 6 screws holding the keypad decorate. Carefully remove the keypad decorate. Replace the keypad button with a new one. Place the keypad decorate with the keypad button back onto the casing. Tighten the screws at the casing to hold the keypad decorate. Place the LCD back to its original position and tighten the screws. Insert the LCD flexi flat cable back to the main controller unit. Attach the main controller unit back to the main controller unit. Tighten all 4 screws to hold the main controller unit firmly. Plug in the connector for the antenna. Door latch wire. Battery wire. And finally the MCU wire back to the main controller unit. And attach the core board firmly onto the main controller unit. Place the scanner holder over the optical scanner. And tighten the screws. Place the back plate. And tighten all the screws. both the front and rear panel to power up the Keylock 8800 and test it. FingerTec, we make things easy.